You're now viewing the video for a 96 to 98 Honda Civic fog light. These are the tools that we recommend for the installation. We shall begin by lifting up the hood of your vehicle. Remove two 10mm bolts under the front bumper that you see pointed by the red arrows. Remove this Phillips head screw that is attaching the front bumper to the fender. At the top of your front bumper, remove 7 clips that you see pointed by the yellow arrows. Remove the plastic cutouts by using a box cutter knife. Secure mounting brackets to the bumper with 2 Phillips head screws, as you see here in the red arrows. Please repeat this video clip and tighten the Phillips head screw. Place the fog light assembly into position. Again, repeat and tighten the Phillips head screw. Remove the 10mm bolt from the battery positive terminal. Connect the red wire of the fog light harness to the positive battery terminal, then tighten it with a 10mm bolt. Run the fog light harness toward the front of the car through the bulkhead. Cut a slit through the rubber grommet, then run the power switch wire of the fog light harness through the slit in the rubber grommet. Remove a 10mm bolt on the hood latch. Connect the fog light harness ground wire to the 10mm bolt and then tighten it. In this video clip, zip tie the fog light harness at various points along the stock harness. Again, zip tie excess wiring and relays to stock harness. Now you can connect the fog light to the harness. Put back the front bumper in its proper location. You can now mount and tighten everything back together and place the bolts in its proper location in reverse order. Remove the brown connector from the fog light switch harness. Under your steering column, remove 3 Phillips head screws. Locate the fog light harness switch power wire and connect to the switch harness. And securely wrap it with electrical tape. Remove a 10mm bolt. And then connect the switch harness ground wire to the 10mm bolt, then tighten that bolt. Remove 3 Phillips head screws. And then shortly after, remove the steering column covers. Now, using a test light and ignition key in the correct position, find the ACC power wire. Tighten the 3 Phillips head screws on the steering column covers. Remove the plastic cover on lower dash panel and replace the fog light switch. Connect the switch harness to the fog light power switch. Replace lower dash panel and tighten 3 Phillips head screws. Double check to make sure that the fog lights are working properly, and hopefully you enjoy them. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.